Hello, dear learners. We many a times small children says that they have stomach ache or they are feeling s- somewhat problematic with their stomach. That is stomach upsets. They suffer from stomach upsets. So in the presentation before we have discussed about the anti-amoebic agent and the infection caused by anti-amoebic agent, that is amoebiasis, which mainly includes the symptoms like diarrhea, dysentery, vomiting and so on. But it is not always that due to that the child or a person is affected by amoeba, that is entamoeba histolytica. Many a times these abdominal upsets is caused due to some worms, and due to the presence of the worms in the GI tract, that is either in stomach or in intestine, also the person or a child suffers from its abdominal pain, cramps, diarrhea, dysentery, vomiting and so on. So when the person suffers from the infection of worms, the drugs which are used to treat this infection are called as anthelmintics. So today we are going to discuss and study the examples related to anthelmintics. The learning outcome of this presentation are: after viewing this presentation, the learner will be able to define anthelmintic agent, classify anthelmintic agent and outline different anthelmintic agents. The content of this presentation is: first we are going to see the introduction of anthelmintic agent, then classification of anthelmintic agents, and the drugs we are going to see that are piperazine, diethyl carbamazine, that is DEC, and mebendazole. So let's begin with our presentation. So different worms like whipworm, liver fluke, ascaris, pinworm, tapeworm, these are the different worms through the oral route, either via drinking water or contaminated food. These worms are ingested by the human beings, and on ingestion of these worms they affect the area and mainly causes abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fatigue and malnutrition. So this disease condition is known as helminthiasis. So the infection, in other words we can say that the infection caused by worms is called as helminthiasis. The different types of worms which infest into the human body and cause helminthiasis are nematodes, cystodes and trematodes. The examples of nematodes is roundworms, threadworm, hookworm. Then the example of cystode is tapeworm, and trematodes example is blood flukes. So the anthelmintic agent definition: the drugs or agents which are used to treat helminthic infection, that is the infection caused by worms, are called as anthelmintics. The anthelmintic agents are classified as follows. First, halogenated hydrocarbons, halogenated phenols and diphenols, dyes, piperazine and related compounds, other heterocyclic ring containing compounds, alkaloids and antimonal compounds. So let's see the examples in detail. So first example which we are going to see in detail is piperazine. So piperazine, it is a colorless, glossy, deliquescent crystals. It has faint characteristic odor. Piperazine, it is freely soluble in water and alcohol, but very slightly soluble in ether. It is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Piperazine, it is mainly used to treat enterobiosis and ascaris. Official preparations of piperazine are piperazine adipate IP, piperazine adipate tablet IP, and piperazine citrate IP. It is known by the brand names as Helmacid C. Senna, Anipur syrup, Azvin syrup, and Azvin tablet. Avizin tablet. Second example is diethyl carbamazine, that is DEC. So the physical properties of DEC are, it is a white crystalline powder which is odorless and tasteless. It is soluble in water and practically insoluble in ether and chloroform. Storage condition, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. DEC, that is diethyl carbamazine, it is used to treat roundworm infection, filarial infection, and tropical eosinophilia. The different official preparations for DEC are diethyl carbamazine citrate IP, diethyl carbamazine citrate BP, diethyl carbamazine tablet IP, and diethyl carbamazine tablet BP. It is known by the brand names as Banoside tablet, Banoside syrup, Banoside forte, Hetrazane, and Dixet tablet. Now the next example is mebendazole. So the physical properties are, it is white or slightly yellow powder which is odorless. It is freely soluble in formic acid and practically insoluble in water. Mebendazole is usually stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Mebendazole, it is a broad spectrum anthelmintics and is used to treat various types of worm infections like roundworm infection, whipworm infection, threadworm infection, river blindness, and hookworm infection. Then official preparations are mebendazole IP and mebendazole tablet IP. The different brand names are Mebex, Wormin, Ilmin syrup, Imzol suspension, Mix tablet, and Zumin tablet. So here we conclude our topic anthelmintics. Hope you all must have understood it. Thank you.